This morning, new concerns over the coronavirus.
Coronavirus has changed life as we know it. The worldwide pandemic is responsible for thousands of deaths, forcing businesses, schools, government buildings to shut down. And since the virus sticks to surfaces, typical cleaning isn't enough to keep you safe.
So wiping it down is great and it's better than nothing, but there's no guarantee that you're not pushing some of it off to the side of your counter and actually piling it up on the side where it's not dead, but now it's all pushed to the side. Your kid comes and touches it, your employee comes and touches it, and now they've gotten sick because you've just moved the virus around and not killed it.
Now there's a solution. The Pure Maintenance patented dry fog technology will destroy viruses like the coronavirus on contact, then keep it from coming back.
The fog literally gets through materials, into cloth, into every nook and cranny where air can go, and it literally gets sucked into there.
The FDA-approved and EPA-registered sterilant is made with all natural products and tested to the highest standards.
The first stage is we use a cold sterilant called Instapure, and we completely eradicate all pathogens in the environment.
We pull hoses into the house. On the end of those hoses are fog heads. That's where the magic happens. In each room, we fill the entire space up with fog and kind of move around the building one room at a time.
The second stage is Everpure, and it comes on as an antimicrobial that goes onto the surfaces of everything in the household and prevents anything from coming back when it lands living and producing anything further.
Microscopically, it looks almost like a bed of nails. So anytime a new pathogen is introduced into the environment, when it settles onto a treated surface, that cell wall is punctured and it dies.
So these two products together allows us to create the most incredibly healthy home that you'll ever live in.
Pure Maintenance is 100% safe for your family and pets. The process takes just a couple hours, and with no residue left behind, you can be assured your home or office is completely virus-free.
You never really think about it until something like COVID hits. And it's just a medium or a spark that allows us to sit there and say, hey, wait, we've got solutions for not just this. It's any type of virus, bacteria, things that can affect your health.
In a time where you're probably seriously concerned about the health and well-being of your family, there's not a better solution on the planet than what we do.